Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video I want to show you how to create a new product inside your learning management system powered by Teachable. So right now I am here at the admin dashboard of Teachable, and what I have to do is that I have to just click on courses add. So this is the product creation mastery or the product launch mastery course, and as I am doing this video I am also creating the lesson inside the Teachable login. So if you are accessing this particular video from Teachable, then this is the course that you are accessing from, which I am creating right now. So let me just give the name of the product launch mastery, and I will select the author as Deepak Kanagaraju. Learn how to create information products and launch online. So I will just create a simple description. Eventually I might want to create a sales page here, but for now this is just a placeholder. So now I have created this, and what I need to do is that I need to create the first section. So I will just put it as lessons right now, and I can edit this later. And inside the lessons I have to create a new lecture. So the new lecture, let me put it as integrating payment gateway with Drip. So this is the video that I have created previously for this particular course, and what I need to do is that I just need to add a small text about this video, and then I need to add the video file. So let me first add the text. Now I have added the description and I have switched on comments. Now what I need to do is that I need to add the video file that I have just created. So I will go into choose files and let me select the file. So this is the video that I want to upload. I will select the video file and I will click on upload. So this will take a few minutes for it to get uploaded. So now I have uploaded the video, as you can see here, and what I can do is that I can go ahead and publish the lecture. So now I have clicked on publish. Let me click on preview, and here you can see that the video is still encoding. So after you upload the video, it takes some time for it to convert it to the right format and publish it. But now we have published the first lesson. So now let's go back to information, and here is where you can edit these details if you want to edit the landing page and things like that. So we have the URL, we have the page title, we have the meta description. We don't have the thumbnail and featured background yet, so this is something that my designer is still designing. And post purchase page, you can lead them to enrolled course curriculum. So now this course is yet to be published, so I will go ahead and click on publish course, but I need to add a pricing to it as well. So I will go ahead and create pricing first. So it is a one-time purchase, and this is going to be in Indian rupees. So I will add the cost as 4,999 for now. I can edit this later if I want. So now the pricing is done. We have the curriculum and we have the information. So now let's go ahead and click on publish course. So also an image for this is yet to be added, as I had already discussed. So let's publish the course. So now that the course is published, I can go ahead and click on preview as a sales page. So here you can see the product page has been created. We are yet to add the content for the landing page, and here you can see the class curriculum. So if you click on this, it will show you the list of lessons, but obviously it will not be available for people who have not enrolled in the course. So this is how you create a new course inside Teachable and publish it. So let us look at a few more features here, and what we can see here is the curriculum page, the pricing page, which we have already done. Then there is also an option to go ahead and release lessons at a specific schedule. So we will cover the Drip app inside Teachable a little bit later. Then you can see comments. So these are the comments awaiting moderation across all the lessons in this particular course. Coupons is something that we have seen in the previous lesson. If you want to create a discount coupon, you can create it here. If you click on students, then you will be able to see the list of students who have enrolled in this particular course. But this goes back into the users tab, and here the filter is automatically added that it is product launch mastery. So if I go back, then you can see bundle contents. If you want to bundle a few more courses along with this course, you can do that. And you can also go ahead and check reports, but reports is not available in this specific plan. So I hope this video helped you understand how to create a new course inside Teachable, and I will keep this course updated with more information as we go along. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.